Battery replacement tutorial for PFC Sinewave E UPS series. Important notice. Before battery replacement, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, loosen the 2 screws on the left side of the front panel. Slide the front panel and remove it from the UPS. Disconnect the red and black cables. Next, pull out the battery pack. Install a new one into the compartment. Reconnect the black and red cables. To reinstall the front panel, be sure to insert the hook into the slot. Then, slide the front panel to secure. The final step is to tighten the 2 screws on the left side of the front panel. Now that you've completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. You can run a battery test by using the LCD panel. First, when the UPS is in line mode, press the setup button for 2 seconds to access the setup menu. Press the downward arrow button to scroll to the BT option for the battery test. Press the setup button to activate the option. When you see yes on the LCD screen, press the setup button again to start the battery test. The UPS will enter battery mode, and the battery test will run for a while. When the battery test is complete, the UPS will return to line mode. Finally, reset the battery replacement date using the Power Panel software or an installed remote management card. Please note that both options can also offer remote UPS battery test.